Hi everyone, Dr. Dave here with my favorite total hip replacement exercises, but this is level 2. So after you've done level 1, make sure you check that video out if you haven't already seen it, but you want to certainly do that before you go into this level 2. So this is about 4 weeks in after you've begun your rehab of total hip replacement. Some people might be a week or two earlier or later, just depending on how they heal and whether or not they've done some other therapy along with it, like cold laser therapy. And before we get down to business and I show you these exercises, please hit that like, thumbs up button. I appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe.
Start in a seated position, sitting on the edge of a chair with your legs underneath your center of gravity. Now try standing up without using your hands. Lie down on the bed. Slowly bring your leg in towards your chest. Do not raise your leg more than 90 degrees past your hip. Lie on the bed. Bring your legs upwards by bending your knees. Keep your feet on the bed. Now raise your hips upwards by moving your pelvis forwards. Stand behind a chair and hold onto the backrest. Move your leg backwards and then return back to the starting position. Complete one set and then repeat with your other leg. Lie on the bed on your side with your affected leg on top. Keep your feet together and bring your heels up towards the back of your legs. Keep your knees bent. Now, keep your feet together and raise your upper knee. Stand behind a chair. Reach your hands forward onto the backrest. Bend both knees into a squatting position, allowing your hand to slide over the backrest. Push through your legs and return to standing. Repeat. Return to the starting position. Please consult your practitioner for how long you can use the bike and at what interval.